Turn kitchen scraps into garden gold. Easy composting tips. Welcome to Soil Books, where we dig deep into the world of gardening, farming, and sustainable living. Today, we're unlocking the secret to turning your kitchen scraps into garden gold, the easiest way to make compost at home. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to create rich, nutrient-packed compost right in your backyard or even your apartment. Let's get started. The first step to composting is choosing the perfect home for your scraps. You can buy a compost bin or make one using materials like wood, plastic, or even an old trash can. For small spaces, try a countertop compost bin. These are perfect for holding your kitchen scraps until you can add them to a larger bin. And if you're feeling adventurous, consider a worm composting system. Worms are fantastic at breaking down food scraps. Remember, choosing the right composting method sparks joy and fits seamlessly into your life. Now comes the fun part, adding the ingredients. Think of it as creating a balanced meal for your garden. Start with your greens, which are rich in nitrogen. These are your fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, tea bags, and fresh grass clippings. Next, add your browns, which are carbon-rich materials. Dry leaves, straw, cardboard, and eggshells bring balance to your compost pile. Avoid adding meat, dairy, oily foods, and pet waste, as these can attract pests and create unpleasant smells. Now that we have our ingredients, let's layer them to create a harmonious blend. Begin with a layer of browns at the bottom for proper airflow. Next, add a layer of greens, followed by another layer of browns. Continue layering your greens and browns until your compost bin is full. This balance is key to creating the perfect environment for decomposition. Take your time, enjoy the process, and find joy in knowing that you're creating something special for your garden. Just like we need fresh air to thrive, your compost pile needs oxygen to decompose properly. Turning your compost pile every 1 to 2 weeks introduces oxygen and helps speed up the decomposition process. If you're using a tumbler, give it a spin. This is a fun and easy way to aerate your compost. You can even involve your family and make it a weekly ritual. Remember, even the smallest actions like turning a compost pile can bring us closer to a more sustainable life. In 2 to 6 months, your compost will transform into dark, crumbly, earthy-smelling soil, pure garden gold. Use it in your garden, potted plants, or even as lawn fertilizer. Your plants will thrive with the nourishment it provides. It's a beautiful cycle of giving back to nature what came from nature. And the best part? You transformed ordinary kitchen scraps into something extraordinary. That's the magic of composting. Can you compost in an apartment? Absolutely. Use a small indoor compost bin or try vermicomposting with worms. It's odor-free, space-efficient, and perfect for urban living. So here's my question for you. What will you compost first? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found these composting tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Until next time, stay green, keep composting, and remember, even small actions can make a big difference. See you soon.